Hello all, welcome to Your Schemes. I'm Ilakya. I hope you're all doing well. If you're looking for best term insurance plan, then this video is for you. The first step to find best term insurance is to find a good company. There are many companies in India for term insurance, but we all know that the most trusted and very popular company is LIC. This company offers three term plans. The first one is Jeevan Amar plan number 955. The second plan would be Saral Jeevan Bima plan number 859. And LIC has recently launched another term insurance plan which is Jeevan Kiran plan number 870. Now the question is which plan to select. Today's video is the answer for your question. In this video we are going to compare two term plans offered by LIC. First one is Jeevan Amar and Jeevan Kiran. We will discuss all about these two plans, which plan is best, which plan should you select, what is the benefit and features of each plan, difference in the returns, tax, loan, rider differences, with an example for Jeevan Amar and Jeevan Kiran. So stay tuned till the end of this video. We bring to you latest bank news and investment related videos. So please make sure to subscribe to Your Schemes and hit the bell icon. Let's first see what would be the age limit for Jeevan Amar and Jeevan Kiran. For Jeevan Amar, minimum age at entry is 18 years. And for Jeevan Kiran, minimum age would be the same, that is 18 years. Maximum age is 65 years for Jeevan Amar and 65 years for Jeevan Kiran. What would be the term for these plans? Term for Jeevan Amar is 10 to 40 years. And the term for Jeevan Kiran is also same, 10 to 40 years. Let's see the premium type. Jeevan Amar offers regular payment mode, single premium payment mode and limited period payment mode of 5 years and 10 years. Whereas Jeevan Kiran offers only two types of payment mode, that would be single premium and regular premium. Under both plan, the premium payment amount would be different for smokers and non-smokers. Let's move on to the sum assured section. The minimum sum assured for Jeevan Amar would be 25 lakhs and for Jeevan Kiran, the minimum sum assured is 15 lakhs. And for both plan, the maximum sum assured has no limit. What are the riders available under these two plans? First one, Jeevan Amar, there is no rider available. No accidental death and disability benefit is available. And under the Jeevan Kiran plan, there is two riders available. The first one would be accidental death and disability rider. The second one is accidental benefit rider. Now let's see income tax benefit. For Jeevan Amar, premium under this plan is eligible for tax benefit under section 80C, and for Jeevan Kiran, premium under this plan is eligible for tax benefit under 80C, and the maturity amount shall be exempted from tax under section 10 of 10D. Let's now see the difference in surrender value. There will be no surrender value for Jeevan Amar, and for Jeevan Kiran, for regular premium, you can surrender the policy after 2 years and the return depends on the surrender value at that time. For single premium payers under Jeevan Kiran, you can surrender the policy anytime. If you surrender the policy within 3 years, you will get 75% of the basic premium paid. And if you surrender the policy after 3 years, you will get 90% of the basic premium paid. Let's move on to the next section. There will be no loan facility available under both the plans. Next one is benefit. This section is super important, so please pay attention. Let's first see what will happen on death of policyholder. Under Jeevan Amar, you will get basic sum assured, and under Jeevan Kiran also, you will get the basic sum assured. And on survival, for Jeevan Amar, nothing is payable on survival as it is a pure term plan. So you will get nothing on survival. However, on Jeevan Kiran, you will get the total premium paid, excluding the tax and rider premium. This is the main difference between these two plans. On survival, you will not get anything back under Jeevan Amar and you will get your premium back under Jeevan Kiran. Let's now understand these two plans with some examples. We will see examples for both regular premium mode and single premium mode. Regular premium mode for Jeevan Amar and Jeevan Kiran. Single premium mode for Jeevan Amar and Jeevan Kiran. Let's start with the regular premium mode for Jeevan Amar. Let's assume a person named XYZ. The age would be 30 years and he is a non-smoker. The policy term he selects is 40 years. The sum assured is 50 lakh. Premium payment mode is regular. The premium he is going to pay per year is 16,170 rupees. So every year he is going to pay 16,170 rupees. Total premium he is going to pay for 40 years policy term would be 6 lakhs and 46,000. He will get a life cover till 70 years of his age. Unfortunately, if the policy holder dies between his age of 30 years and 70 years, the nominee will get 50 lakh rupees. If the policy holder survives for 40 years term, then he will not get anything at all. This is for Jeevan Amar. Now let's see regular premium mode for Jeevan Kiran. Before we do that, if you feel this video is helpful, then please hit the like button. It motivates me to make more similar videos. Thank you. Let's continue. Let the age policy term sum assured be the same. The premium he is going to pay would be 24,400 rupees every year. The total premium he is going to pay for 40 years would be 9,78,000 rupees. He will get the life cover till 70 years of his age. Unfortunately, if the policyholder dies between the age of 30 years and 70 years, he will get 50 lakh rupees. If the policyholder survives, he will get 9 lakh 36,000 rupees. This is for Jeevan Kiran. Understand that in Jeevan Amar, if the policyholder survives, he will not get anything. In Jeevan Kiran, he will get 9,36,000 rupees. Now let's see examples for single premium. So let the age, policy term and sum assured be the same. Age 30 years, policy term 40 years, sum assured 50 lakh rupees. The single premium that he is going to pay under Jeevan Amar would be 2,12,000 rupees. He will get life cover till 70 years. And on death, he will get 50 lakh rupees. On survival, he will not get anything. Under Jeevan Kiran, the single premium that he is going to pay is 2,62,000 rupees. He will also get a life cover till 70 years. On death, the policy holder will get 50 lakh rupees. On survival, he will get 2,51,000 rupees. If you ask me which plan is best, in my opinion, if you select regular premium, for 40 years you are going to pay 6,46,000 for Amar. And for Jeevan Kiran, you are going to pay 9,78,000 for 40 years. The difference between both the premium is only 3 lakh rupees, which is not that much significant. On death, both the plans offer sum assured. However, on survival, Jeevan Amar doesn't give you anything, but Jeevan Kiran pays you the premium that you paid back. Simply put, in Jeevan Amar, you are not going to get anything if you survive the policy term. In Jeevan Kiran, you will get the premium back if you survive the policy term. So, in my opinion, it's best to choose Jeevan Kiran. If you select the single premium, then for Jeevan Amar you are going to pay a total premium of 2,12,000 rupees for a term of 40 years. For Jeevan Kiran also, the premium amount is almost the same, that is 2,62,000 rupees. However, the huge difference is in Jeevan Amar you are not going to get this 2 lakh back. However, in Jeevan Kiran, you will get this premium back. You will get 2,51,000 rupees on survival. And also remember to choose the longest policy term. If you select the longest term, then the premium you will have to pay will be much lesser. For more LIC related videos, please subscribe to Your Schemes and please share it with your friends. If you feel this information was helpful, then please hit the like button. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.